Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a few essentials so the connection will work. Enable Siri and Bluetooth on your iPhone, unlock it, and plug an Apple-certified Lightning cable into the Camry USB port or prepare for wireless pairing. Once done, put the Camry in ACC or on so the infotainment screen is active. This wakes CarPlay detection. You do this now because the head unit only scans when awake, and an unlocked iPhone lets the CarPlay handshake proceed without extra prompts. Now you connect and authorize CarPlay. For wired, plug into the USB marked with a phone icon and tap Allow on your iPhone when the CarPlay prompt appears. The Camry will load the CarPlay interface. For wireless, pair Bluetooth from the infotainment menu, then accept the wireless CarPlay prompt on both devices. Once connected, open your iPhone settings General CarPlay to name the Camry and arrange apps. Make sure to grant microphone access so Siri handles voice commands correctly. Finish by practicing common actions so you know where controls are. Press the steering wheel voice button for Siri, tap Maps for navigation, and use the infotainment touch or scroll knob for music. Make sure audio routes correctly in the Camry audio settings. If CarPlay fails to connect, restart your iPhone, disconnect and reconnect the cable, or toggle Bluetooth. Also check iOS and Camry infotainment updates and iPhone restrictions. These steps solve most issues because they clear temporary software states.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.